Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today's video is all about me thanking all of you, my viewers and subscribers, for all the love and support that you've shown towards me and my channel in this journey of mine so far. While I do that, I would like to celebrate this moment by making Lalo Salamanca inspired tacos. Lalo Salamanca is a character from one of my favorite famous TV shows called Better Call Saul. After Lalo Salamanca made this simple yet delicious taco on the show, the fans became very curious to know how he made it, so he made a short video on the taco itself. I've attached the link of that video in the description box below. This video of mine is not exactly a complete how-to video of that taco, but I will show you how I make my version of Lalo Salamanca taco while I talk to you all. To begin with, I'm extremely grateful to you all. It's because of all your love and appreciation that I have over 1,000 subscribers in less than 7 months. Though I initially registered my channel in mid-June 2019, but I did not make it public until mid-October 2019. Since then till now, I've been overwhelmed with all the love, support, kindness, and appreciation from you all. I would sincerely love to thank every single one of you from the very bottom of my heart for what you've given me, for being such a support, and I request you all to stay with me and continue to show your kindness and appreciation. Moreover, I would like to thank my friends and family for always being there for me. Some people have shown support beyond the definition. Growing up for as long as I can remember, my parents have always encouraged me to do what interested me. I became an engineer who fell in love with the food chemistry. Later on, when I got married, I was blessed with my amazing soulmate, the love of my life, my best friend, and my partner in everything. Currently, I'm a stay-at-home mom raising my 2-year-old princess. Growing up, my mom always made sure we're eating good food. Even as a kid, I used to be always so fascinated by how mixing some herbs and spices with some protein or veggies gives such amazing outcome. My official cooking journey began back in the mid of 2010. People around me have always appreciated my cooking, and my husband has been my biggest fan by far. Well, you could verify this statement from him if you ever get a chance. Among all my hobbies, cooking and traveling are the two that I love the most. So last year, I decided to introduce my cooking in the YouTube platform. My channel, Cooking Horizon by Taz, is mainly a cooking channel along with the side of lifestyle and traveling videos. My goal is to produce cooking videos so when people try my recipes following my video correctly, they are able to get almost the same outcome as I did. After the pandemic is over, I'll also be uploading more lifestyle videos. So far, I have lived in 3 different continents of the world: the Southeast Asia, the Great Britain, and now the United States of America. Hence, I've been fortunate enough to try many different cuisines. Going forward, I would continue to share whatever knowledge of cooking I have with you all. I'll present dishes from various cuisines. If you ever have any queries, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or contact me through any of the social media platforms. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Please stay with me in this journey, send your suggestions, and thank you all once again. Please take care and please keep watching me.